Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 22. On this page, children, we are going to read and write the sentences. Look at this, children. These are dolls. Listen again, children. These are dolls. Listen one more time, children. These are dolls. Now say with me, children. These are dolls. Say again, children, these are dolls. Look at this, children, these are flowers. Listen again, children, these are flowers. Listen one more time, children, these are flowers. Children, as you can see, this is these are. Now you have to write the word flowers in between these 4 lines by yourself. Then read the sentence, these are flowers. Look at this, children, these are ducks. Listen again, children, these are ducks. Listen one more time, children, these are ducks. Children, now you have to write the sentence, these are ducks in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children, these are cups. Listen again, children, these are cups. Listen one more time, children, these are cups. Children, now you have to write the sentence, these are cups in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children, these are nails. Listen again, children, these are nails. Listen one more time, children, these are nails. Children, now you have to write the sentence, these are nails in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write the sentence, these are nails. Look at this, children, these are plates. Listen again, children, these are plates. Listen one more time, children, these are plates. Children, now you have to write the sentence, these are plates in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children, these are locks. Listen one more time, children, these are locks. Listen again, children, these are locks. Children, now you have to write the sentence, these are locks in between these 4 lines by yourself. These are locks. Look at this, children, these are eggs. Listen again, children, these are eggs. Listen one more time, children, these are eggs. Children, now you have to write the sentence, these are eggs in between these 4 lines by yourself. This was our page number 22. Let's read all the sentences of this page, children. These are dolls. These are flowers. These are ducks. These are cups. These are nails. These are plates. These are locks. These are eggs. Children, you have to read and write these sentences on these 4 lines by yourself.